First, the ups and downs of nature and the best efforts of people. Alex Dimitrick reports both are examined in a state study on attempts to increase the bay's oyster population.
You have to look close. Each of those tiny spots is a baby oyster called spat. New life grown and attached to recycled shells in a lab. Tens of millions have been used to build oyster sanctuaries off limits to harvesting to renew oyster populations in the bay. Now a study by the Department of Natural Resources finds some sanctuaries are doing better than others.
The salinity and the location and how much effort is put into it are key factors.
Sanctuaries have grown from 9% of Maryland's oyster habitat to 24%. Overall, the study found oyster populations doubling in sanctuaries, while public oyster bars saw a 30% drop in population.
So that's a normal oscillation that we've seen for decades. The industry going up and going down in response to natural spat set.
But with a growing supply of oysters in the sanctuaries, watermen are lobbying for at least partial access.
Maybe on a rotational basis for a couple weeks.
DNR says the study is a status report on oyster harvesting, aquaculture, and the sanctuaries.
It provides an opportunity to maybe add some or delete some, change the mix a little bit.
If changing that mix means opening up some sanctuaries to harvesting, does the study justify it?
I think somebody could pull that out of it and make a case as thin as that is for opening some of these areas to harvest.
Alex Dimitrick, WJZ, Eyewitness News.
Now, DNR says if changes are made to oyster recovery efforts, it will only happen after all stakeholders are consulted.